Ethereum has been in the red for the past 3 days. We're finally getting a green candle as we bounce off of structure support right about here. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where I think Ethereum is heading and why. Before we get started though, I want to let you know that this is the last day you can get access to the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators on sale for up to $450 off. The sale ends today on July 7th, and on top of that, there's a limited amount of coupons left. We started out with 50, that number is decreased significantly, so grab the indicators at a discount while you still can. And with that, let's jump into the video. First, I want to show you a news article. Travis actually just sent this to me earlier today. Nearly 1 billion of Bitcoin options is set to expire while Bitcoin fall further. Nearly $1 billion worth of Bitcoin options are set to expire today, potentially putting further pressure on Bitcoin prices. Around 29,000 Bitcoin options contracts will expire with a max pain point of $30,000, close to Bitcoin's current trading value. Crypto markets are in retreat for the fourth consecutive day, with Bitcoin falling below 30K for the first time this month. For those wondering, max pain refers to the level with the most open contracts at which the most losses will be made upon contract expiry. The put-call ratio for today's expiring contracts is 0.76, which is slightly bullish but leans towards neutral. Essentially what this means is, in short, we're going to see a lot of volatility in the market as these contracts expire. Relative to the massive size of Bitcoin, only about $880 million is at stake. That's relatively small compared to how big Bitcoin actually is. I know it sounds like a lot, but this isn't a large volume compared to previous contract expiries. Crypto markets are already in retreat though. Now I know this article was specifically about Bitcoin, but where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market is likely to go too. So if we see a ton of volatility in Bitcoin, we're likely to see it in the rest of the other coins too. For today, though, we're going to be looking at the Ethereum metrics. I'm going to take you there, and the first metric we're looking at is the Ethereum Emotional Index. As of today, we have dropped into neutral territory here after this massive drop in price. This tells me that while this could continue, we are actually inching closer and closer to anxious territory where we're typically seeing moves back up in price. It's perfectly possible that we will see moves up at this current area, but typically we are looking for that drop to anxious first. Next up is going to be the Ethereum Volatility Breakout Detector. We're seeing increased volatility just as the article was talking about. And what this tells me is this could actually be a pretty sharp move back to the upside. We've already hit really strong structure support right here, so there's not a lot of room to move back down. But if we do, I think it's just going to be a little bit of sideways movement, just as we saw right here before the next move up. Next up is going to be the Ethereum Whale Smart Money metric. We've had 2 days with long trade sentiment. It's not a ton though. We're still nowhere close to the 600 to 800 range that we're typically looking for this metric to actually see moves back up. However, long trade sentiment is long trade sentiment, and we're already seeing moves back up in the market because of it. Heading on down to the Ethereum major support and resistance levels. Previous structure resistance puts us at $1,928 with a possibility of a move up to $2,020, with structure support right about here at $1,785. We've just bounced off of that point, and it looks like we could be heading up from there. Next is the Ethereum long versus short trades. Long trades do appear to be very gradually increasing. This is very likely what's caused this little uptrend here. Short trades appear to be staying in about the same place, and as long as that continues, we can expect moves up in the market. Last but not least is the Ethereum trade signals metric. We got beautiful calls. I actually made a video about this yesterday, but Ethereum saw amazing calls on the buy signals and the sell signals. Each of these sell signals calling a local top, each of the buys calling a local bottom. Very, very proud of how this metric is performing. So at this point, as the price drops, I'll be looking for a buy signal, and as soon as we see that, that's going to be an almost certain confirmation of a move back up in Ethereum. Now, if you want to get access to all these metrics and more, including our trade setups that have earned us 40 wins and 0 losses with 7 trades pending, don't miss out on those. Don't miss out on our future forecast videos. A brand new one was posted today, July 7th. The market is setting up for a massive move. Let me show you how I planned to be trading this and how I was able to add $2,258 worth of Bitcoin to my portfolio without adding any money. This is a super important video. Do not miss this. Do not miss out on future trade calls. Do not miss out on the metrics updated every single day. All you have to do is join our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and it'll be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to the membership sign up page. I recommend the full access for $59 a month because this includes scalping trades, metrics across all 20 coins, morning brew overview, future forecast videos, and many more features. Click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. Here we are looking at Ethereum on the 1-day time frame using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. Again, today is the last day of the sale. Grab those while you still can at a discount. For now, though, we're going to be watching the price versus well money flow. We've seen whales gradually move money out of the market over the past few days, and this has caused a downtrend. Typically, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, so this is absolutely no surprise. If whale money continues moving out of the market, though, I think the price is likely to drop. As we approach structure support at $1,785, we should see the trend exhaustion hit its bottom red territories. Once we get both price versus well money flow low, trend exhaustion low, I will be looking for a buy signal, as we've seen with the previous bottoms in Ethereum. All three of these will combine to be some of the most bullish signals you can possibly get, so that is where I'm looking for Ethereum to head. After we bounce off of structure support, my next targets for our resistances are going to be $1,928 followed by $2,020 as shown on the support and resistance metric. Honestly, super easy calls today. Things are looking pretty clear. We are likely to see some volatility as contracts expire in Bitcoin. This will likely result in some slight moves down, followed by some volatility to the upside. This is exactly what we're looking for. Honestly, I'm really just tracking the price versus well money flow here. If it moves down, the price is likely to head down. If it begins moving up, as we saw yesterday, right here, which is partially what contributed to this move up here, this is likely where we're going to see moves back up. So if whale money moves up, we're likely to see the price move up too. This is the first and foremost what we're watching because price versus well money flow tracks whale money. Trend exhaustion, then after that, will track the momentum of uptrends and downtrends. We're already seeing decreased momentum from this downtrend as we approach that bottom red territory, and that's why it's so important to pay attention to those. And with that, the buy signal typically calls the absolute bottom. Absolutely amazing what we've been able to do with these indicators. We personally are now 40 wins, 0 losses with 7 trades pending on our scalping trades using these indicators. And I got to tell you, we're not alone. Our clients are making crazy money with these. I'll show you testimonies in a second, but if you want to grab these for up to $450 off, huge discount right now. It ends today on July 7th with a limit of 50 coupons total. So do not miss out, whether it's time limits or quantity limits. You're going to want to grab these indicators as soon as you can. All you got to do is check the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicator link will be the first one. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to the huge 4th of July sale page. $450 off. We are in our final hours with over 4,000 downloads and counting. You know these indicators are incredible. Act fast. The sale is limited to only the first 50 buyers, and then the sale ends. Don't take my word for it, though. This person earned 16% with us. This person earned $9,000 with their account up over 39%. $950 in 1 day with these indicators. $4,300 in just a week with those indicators. Absolutely incredible. The best possible deal is going to be to purchase the indicator bundle pack first. Just follow along. I'll show you how to get that full $450 off. Remember this code, SAVE-ME50 right here for $50 off. The indicator bundle pack will include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder here. Best possible deal. Click the checkout link. Click I want this. Don't forget caps lock. The discount code is SAVE-ME50. Click apply. Your first $50 off is right there. From there, all you got to do is fill out your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off. Click add to cart. You got your full $450 discount. Make sure your information is correct. Click pay, and you are good to go. Once again, as well money continues moving out of the market, we're expecting the price to drop to structure support around $1,785 with the momentum of the downtrend running out right at that level, shown by the trend exhaustion in its red sections. From there, we'll be expecting a buy signal, and all three of these will combine to be some of the most bullish signals you can possibly get, where we will then target $1,928 and $2,020. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.